What's going on, everybody? Right here we have the Rug Doctor. This is probably one of the most common used things when it comes to carpet cleaning. If you need to save yourself about $400, I don't even know how much it costs to carpet clean or call a company to carpet clean, but if you need to save a couple $100, this is the tool you can use right here. Now, I got this one from Walmart, but they do rent out carpet cleaners at Home Depot, Lowe's, I believe. I know for sure PetSmart rent out carpet cleaners too. So whoever rent out carpet cleaners, I would suggest that you go ahead, try it out, see how it is for you. It's fairly easy, you guys, very easy. Now with the Rug Doctor here, I'm using the tool right here to clean off my island chairs. But you can use this if you need to clean out your car or whatever. For those who've been subscribed to my channel and been watching my videos for a couple of years now, y'all know I have the spot cleaner. The spot cleaner is good for spot cleaning, all right? But if you need to clean a whole carpet, a whole room, living room, dining room, bedrooms and stuff like that, you definitely need this. A regular spot cleaner will not clean. Well, you can clean your whole carpet with a spot cleaner, but you will be doing it until you are headed to retirement. Now, the way the tool works is you have to hook the tool up right here in this little hole. Now, this is for the Rug Doctor. I don't know about any other carpet cleaner, all right? And then you got to hook up this part right here. And all of this is push in. All right, so all you do is push this in right here, open this and push this in. Now, if you want to use the tool right here when you cleaning, like maybe you're cleaning your couch, you're cleaning your car, you're cleaning your island chairs or whatever you're cleaning that's small with fabric, you need to put it in the tool section, tool mode, not tool section. So let me show y'all that real quick. Let's get into some fun before I return this thing. So right here, it says tools. Well, not tools, but it says tool. And over here is carpet. When you want to clean your carpet, you put it over this side. This part bends back, but you got to hold it right here and then push this back. And then you can go forward, back. It has wheels. All right, this automatically cut off when the dirty tank gets full. So you gotta love that feature right there. Dirty water tank release and clean water tank release. This is the dirty water right here. So it won't come out unless you hit this button and then pull out. All right, that's the only way. If you try to yank this thing out, you may break it, okay? And then to empty the water, there you go. You twist that cap off and then dump the water out. I suggest that you dump on the outside because there's going to be a lot of dirt and stuff with that, and you don't want that in your toilet. I know I kind of, when I did a mop video, I put the water in the toilet, but you know, it is what it is with that. And on this side is the clean water. So once again, you hit the clean water button. Don't try to yank it out, you guys. Slam on the button first. All right, put your hand on the button, tilt it out, and then this is how you put the clean water in. And then if you need to put the solution in, they have a measuring cup on the cap right here. So look at your solution. It'll tell you how many ounces of your ratio with ounces of solution and then water. So you go by that. All right. And that is it, you guys. That is it. That is it. That is it. If you're empty here, you should be able to see it. But if not, then they have an indicator right here where it says solution empty. All right. And then it says right there, brush jam. Right here, this is where you have to push for your soap and stuff. So you push here and scrub. Push down, scrub. And that's it. There's not too much to this, you guys. Carpet cleaning is probably one of the easiest things you can do. You can do it as a side hustle if you want to do it as a side hustle, because a lot of people are, you know, they get intimidated when they get something like this, especially renting it. Renting it is intimidating as well because, you know, just going to the machine or the kiosk or whatever and signing up for it, it's kind of, you know, for some people it's a lot. But yeah, that's it. So we did carpet clean and it did very good. This carpet is a original carpet from the previous owner, so some stuff is very, very hard to get up, you guys. But for the most part, this thing is clean. We had major spots on this floor, very major spots. Some stuff you can see that's like brown is very hard to get off, very, very hard. So the next turn that I do, I might get a different solution. This is what I use right here. All right, got this from Walmart. Obviously, you know, it's great value. All right, so this is the most occupied spot, which is the dining room. All right, the dining room is where everyone basically eats at a lot. It was very spotty here. I did a couple of videos where I showed me vacuuming this thing, and I have to say that this thing cleaned up very, very, very well. I got all the chairs over there, but I cleaned up the whole carpet right here. So it looks good, you guys. All of this has spots on it. Now it don't. I don't know why they had different colors from that carpet to this carpet, so I don't know what carpet is older or not. But once again, I will be putting vinyl flooring down maybe next year. That would be a next year project. Vinyl flooring, or I might match the hardwood right here and bring some more hardwood. Like I'll put this, you know, Home Depot and Lowe's have this type of hardwood right here. It's a little bit old school. I don't want to say old school, but you know, this is like the original hardwood right here, like real hardwood. And it is expensive. This hardwood is expensive, you guys. So if I finish up, at least I'm not finishing up, you know, a whole floor, but it'll be 1 room, 2 rooms, and I will be doing the family room in there. So I have to calculate that to see how much the hardwood floor will cost compared to me just doing the whole thing as a new vinyl floor. And I don't know why I went all the way over there with that. You guys, sorry, I got sidetracked. So let's get back. All right, you guys, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.